I particularly like this quote. Effectively, change is almost impossible without industry-wide collaboration, cooperation, and consensus. Now, this quote is probably a little bit more industrial focused, perhaps, than health orientated, but I believe it speaks volumes to what this role is requiring. It's a coordinator role, which by definition is sort of organising groups of people and organising them well. But I think it hugely involves listening and absorbing information and working sort of collaboratively with people, with the appropriate agencies, and coming up with the appropriate goal, the appropriate plan. Everyone that is involved with women and children health services, we all have the same goal. We want women and their families to live in a safe environment, in a thriving environment, and that's ultimately what goal we should be achieving. So I'd like to thank you all again for your time, and please consider me very seriously for this role. I believe I would do a great job and bring a wealth of knowledge and experience through my years as a midwife, and I believe I could do this role justice. Thank you.